And here's page 4, which is all subtraction. Oh, I'm going to rewrite this. Just copy the front end of it. And change this to add the opposite of everything in there. So this becomes plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 5. And I'm going to do this horizontally. These get combined, they're like terms. These get combined, they're like terms. And these get combined like terms. There's my little single, double, triple underlining system to mark the like terms, spec everything out so I don't make a careless mistake. Minus 5 and 3, that makes minus 2x squared. 8 and minus 6, that makes 2x. And minus 2 plus 5, that makes 3. Okay, that's number 10. Number 11, again, I'll start the same way. And then for those of you who want to do less writing, change that to a plus sign. Get your pencil in there, change the signs in there. I'm an incredibly lazy person. I would do something like that, but change that to plus minus 3x cubed minus 6x squared plus 1x and minus 8. And now, let's see. I have x squared. I see an x cubed there. I don't see any other x cubes. I see some x squares. I see some x's. And I see some, let me just put dots here because we get too many lines. And those match just plain old numbers. So, going left to right and writing my answer in descending degree order, since I looked ahead, I see this is going to be the first term if I'm writing my answer nicely. 1 and minus 6, that makes that minus 5 x squares. 3 and 1, 4x. And minus 7 and minus 8, minus 15. That takes care of that. And here's a good test of your patience with this. My goodness, look at all this gobbledygook. So I'm going to copy this. 4x squared. 4x to the 4th plus 2x to the 3rd minus 9x squared plus 3x. And then change this to add the opposites. Becomes plus 10x to the 4th minus 2x to the 3rd plus 5x squared and plus x. Where are the like terms? There's a match. There's a match. And there's a match. And there's a match. Okay, so 4 and 10, 14x to the 4th. 2 and minus 2, they disappear. They cancel each other out, so there will be no x to the 3rd in our result. Negative 9 and 5, negative 4x squared. And 3x and 1x, that's 4x. The end of that. So we get a fourth degree polynomial answer here. Lead coefficient 14. Coefficients 14, minus 4, and 4. And finally, here's this. And then we're done for Wednesday, April 1st. By the way, today is day 52. Means there's 18 more lessons to go after this one. Change this to add the opposite. Minus 5 plus 6 minus 1 and plus 1. Okay? Oh, here's an x to the 5th. No other x's to the 5th. There's an x to the 4th. There's another one there. There's an x squared There's another x squared. And there's a plain old x and another plain old x. And then there's this guy, another different term. So a lot of different kinds of terms here. We've got to be very careful. X to the fifth, 3x to the fifth. So I'm just going to kind of put a line through that so I remember I've taken care of it. Then counting down powers to be organized. X is to the fourth, minus 7 and minus 5, that's minus 12. X to the fourth, so those are out of the way. Then is the x to the third, and that's by itself, so it doesn't get any changes. And then 8x squared minus 1x squared makes that 7x squared. And the minus x and the plus x cancel each other out. So there's no x in the answer. And that is it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.